always wanted to visit Amsterdam, especially after reading about it in The Fault in Our Stars. There were some scenes from the book that were set in that city. For this vlog, we will be showing you the things that we did while we were in Amsterdam. From Brussels, we took the train going to Amsterdam. We booked our tickets via NS International, which is the passenger railway operator based in the Netherlands. Our travel time was around 2 hours and 30 minutes, and we booked second class tickets for a price of €25 each.
Hello guys, we are in Amsterdam. So we are actually staying in the area near the Amsterdam Central. So ano siya, papasok kami. Hostel yung tinulugan namin. So actually, cute lang ng room namin. Actually, cute lang siya. But anyway, next time, pag bumalik kami ng Amsterdam, at least I think na pwede mag-stay outside it kasi medyo pricey sa Amsterdam. So, ano kami? Ayan. So we're finally in Amsterdam. Area near Amsterdam Central, so which is the main train station dito sa Amsterdam. So yung canals right is in front of it. So yan, so pwede kang mag-take ng canal cruise, whether yung open, whether yung closed. Magkano kaya yung open na yun, no? Kaysa yung closed. Ang ganong open na canal cruise, magkano kaya yun? Maganda ngayon pag dumadaan yung mga ano so yan, yung mga nakaupo dito, yung iba pwede ka kumain and stuff, pero yan may maliit yan, siguro mas mura yan kasi maliit. Ang hangin lang today actually, super windy, pero yung lamig sakto lang, lumalamig lang ng buong kapag nahangin. So, pero maganda yung view sa kabila. Siguro kaya mas mahal yung mga canal cruise sa kabila. Ay, may isang dadaan ba doon tayo sa kabila, gusto mo? Baka may babaan doon. Or gusto mo lipat tayo ulit doon? Okay, so when you're here in Amsterdam, marami dito yung mga canal cruises like this one. So, may difference siya. So, like let's say may mga canal cruises na may food. So, may mga ganyan covered, may iba na walang cover and maliit lang. So, depende on the price that you are looking for. So, kung gusto nyo ng talaga experience ito, like let's say for example, this one may food siya and 1 hour siya for €35.95. Meron naman sa kabila, a little smaller and I'm not sure kung may food sila, pero ang price is €22.95. So, it depends kung ano yung hinahanap ninyo, pero marami siyang mga canal cruises everywhere. So, yan. So, meron may mga food, may iba talagang nakaupo ka lang, may iba open, may iba mas mahaba, or ayan. So, there you go. Imagine if it's summer though. So guys, kanina yung pinakita namin price, mga nasa 20, ganyan, 30. So meron naman ganito. So ano siya? 1 hour din, but the price is 14.50. So meron canal tours Amsterdam, meron din yung so we go there. So, maliban sa canal tours on Amsterdam, itong isa din yung Rederich Plus. So, 14.50 din sila. So, silang dalawa yung at least cheapest canal cruise na nakita namin sa Amsterdam. Ayan. So, dito sila malapit. going to our hostel. Ang dami pong tao. I mean, well, kasi technically it's Friday, that's why. So, ito yun. So, maliit lang yung room talaga namin. As in, cube lang siya. But it's nice. And may shared bathroom, pero at least free coffee in the morning, free tea, and then unlimited water as well. The streets ng having hostel. So, daming tao. I mean, pagdating namin kanina, naghihila kami ng luggage. Ang daming tao. That's the name of our hostel. So guys, so this is again the continuation of street after our hostel. So yan. So yung hostel namin is pwede kang humingi ng water bottle. Unlimited water siya. Meron silang water na binigay sa room, pero pag naubos mo na, pwede ka pang humingi ulit. Oh, look at this. Ooh. So anyway, yun na nga. Libreng water. So, at least maganda siya kasi magana din ng isang bote ng tubig dito. Nasa 2 euro din. So, at least makaipon, makatipid ka man lang sa tubig. So, in fairness, dito sa state ng hostel namin, ang dami kainan. May crepes, may pasta, may pizza, may burgers. It's up to your liking na lang. Pero ang dami. Yeah, may seafood pa and all. We're here in, I don't know what this is, pero ang ganda niya. We're here. Yan guys, one thing in Amsterdam as well is maraming bikes. So usually mga tao dito, to move around, nagbabike sila. So other canal cruise din. And then meron din mga restaurants here. So guys, ang daming tao sa Amsterdam. It feels like lahat ng tao nagpunta dito. Ano tao? By card? Pay by card? Ay, hindi. May hulog pala. Ayan guys. So, you can order whichever you like. Ayan. I've been seeing this sa mga vlogs na mga iba pumupunta dito. So, ayan. Pwede ka mag-pay by card, pwede ka mag-pay by coins. But if you're going to pay by coins, you have to pay exact amount. And pili ka ng gusto. So, we got. Ang tawag sa kanya is Kit Burger. So, I don't know what is it. Pero, ayan siya. Yun yung nakuha namin. Yan guys, we're still walking. Actually, we don't know where we are. Basta naglalakad-lakad lang kami without Google Maps and all. Basta lalakad lang kami. Bukas pa kami talaga technically may pilit na itinerary. Large fries. So, baka magkisumi sa fries kasi maliit na yung hotdog sandwich. So, yan guys. Good morning. It's our first full day in Amsterdam. So, naglalakad kami papuntang Oud-Kerk or Oud-Dolenstraat. Hindi ko alam kung nabaglit ko siya or na-pronounce ko siya ng tama. Wait ba? There's a car sa likod. So, yun. So, medyo marami pang establishments na sara. Kasi kagabi, feeling namin super late nila nagsara kasi syempre yung mga bars, yung mga inuman, especially Friday weekend. So yun, so tahimik pa ang mundo. Pero may mga tao na rin na naglalakad like us. So yan, actually it's a little peaceful. Hindi masyadong maraming tao. Siguro nga yung mga tao kasi ay tulog pa. Ayan. So, pwede ka mag-bike dito. Ang challenge lang mag-bike is ang dami rin kasi mga taxis and sasakyan. Dami rin tao. Tapos minsan cobblestones din. So parang ang hirap mag-bike. So, guys, rubber bookstore. Ayan yung mga retailer. Imbis na shake it off, splash it off.
Ganda nila mamaya.
Yeah. Ayan guys, actually Amsterdam is very connected in terms of transportation. Meron sila metro and meron sila mga trams. Pwede ka rin mag-bike and stuff like that. So it depends on saan ka comfortable. Pwede rin maglakad. Guys, look at these flowers. Very spring. Guys, we're here sa market na may mga maraming flowers. And ang dami rin tao. And then may restaurants din sa other side. Ayan, kaya maraming tao. Cheese store. Look at that. So many cheese. May free taste. Naubos na nga, pero masarap tong green pesto. Even yung herbs and garlics and even yung organic jersey. So, technically masarap siya. Guys, napabili kami ng cheese! Pero, pampasalubong actually. So, we bought yung green pesto is para sa work. Tapos, bumili kami ng goat cheese truffle para pasalubong din sa family. So, ayan. Get the paper bag. So, yun. Sarap ng cheese. Panalo. Look at those flowers. Ang dami nag-picture guys kasi ang ganda ng flowers. Guys, this is stroopwafels. So, ito yung waffle sa Amsterdam. Look at that! So, guys, so it's freshly made pala. Yung nakikita nyo dyan is just this place. So, we ordered hazelnut stroopwafel. So, guys, that's the name of the store where we bought the stroopwafel. Ang name niya is Firma Stroopwafel. Just right near ito. May Senos here. So, malapit din dyan sa, Culver Pastiche. Not sure if I'm reading things right. Pero dyan sa malapit. And ang sarap niya. She's made, ginagawa siya ng fresh. So, mainit pa siya. So, may chocolate, may caramel. Tapos at the same time, may um, tawag dito, may hazelnut on top. So yun, ang sarap! We ordered the herring and then the yun, kibling. So yun. Lunchtime. Yan be, left side daw. So we're back na naman kasi may mga canals. So marami kasi yan dito. Guys, imagine niyo yung dami ng tao sa Amsterdam. Kahapon maraming tao, pero ngayon parang dumoble yung tao. So yun, napakadaming tao. Ayan guys, we're in front of Anne Frank's house. Dito sila nagtago ng family nila during the Nazi occupation in Netherlands.
I don't think the whole thing was set up.
So, ito yung buong area around it. And super daming tao. Ang dami din kasing pumupunta. Sa main area ng doon sa malapit sa bahay ni Anne Frank, maraming mga canal tours din from here. Sa daming cafes. Nakatambay lang kami dito. Ayan, punuan. Same spot. Namad akong maglakad ng bago din. Later na lang ulit pagkagabi na. Kami nag-lunch o walk-in. Marami sa aming hostel. So, ito yung order. At realize ko, ang dami pala.